Presenter. A distinguished financial journalist and television host, Olivia Vos made her mark with successful volume trading strategies. After graduating Roanoke College with a degree in international relations, her professional journey kicked off as a trading assistant at a Wall Street private placement firm. Her prowess in client relations and finance made a seamless transition to becoming a reporter at the NYSE. There, she interviewed best-selling authors and high-performing traders and economists, such as Peter Tuchman and Jim Rickards, who gave her the nickname, the Vos. Olivia has been the face of modern Wall Street and Money Morning, has appeared on numerous networks including Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg and SiriusXM Business Radio. She's known for using the volume profile as the center of her bold claims, market predictions and trades. Disclaimer. Please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion.